Good afternoon and a warm welcome from myself, Diane Neetling, CEO from Imsyser Health. Today we are going to be doing a training session on the GUT-cha range. Included in the GUT-cha range, we have a probiotic. We've already mentioned one of the products. It's the deep intestinal cleanse. Then we have the probiotic. We have a parasite cleanse as well. And then we have the lymph drops, and we have chia, which is a green food, which is a heavy metal detox. And all these products were individually chosen to assist people with deep detox cleansing, those that are battling that with lymph issues and various other toxicity issues, including the weight loss. You will see on the packaging of the product. It is the Imsyser probiotic, which has been rebranded. It is our product. Therefore, we can quite clearly rebrand this product, and it gets sold mostly through the clinics where they do a lot of weight loss and a lot of that detox cleansing. So as you might know, the Imsyser probiotic has been in the marketplace since the end of 2009, which makes it almost 15 years. The best, I believe, probiotic in the marketplace. It is a liquid and probiotic. It is also a fermented probiotic, which gives it that unique taste. If you add it to some water, you add it for the children, if you add it to a little bit of juice, you will find that there is definitely no flavor in that regard. What is niche about the probiotic, other than being liquid, so it works from the mouth, down the throat, in all of these areas I'm mentioning, down, bypassing the stomach pH, down into the intestinal or digestive tract, all the way down to the bottom end of the colon. These are areas that are hugely dependent on good, healthy bacteria, optimizing the microbial counts in the gut. One of the reasons why we are amazed every single day with this product is the fact there are 12 strains. We all are very much aware of the term prebiotics. It's the food for the probiotics. We know the term probiotics, but very few people understand how the product is made, because we have symbiotics, we have parabiotics, we have postbiotics, a lot of new terminology, because it's the interactive reaction within these different microbes, which are the healthy bacteria, let me put it that way, the probiotics, which creates this natural synergy, and it mimics what is happening in the gut. That is very important. It's pointless putting the typical old style powdered probiotic into the gut. If it's in a capsule, even if it's a slow release capsule, it has to bypass the mouth, down the throat, into the stomach, bypass that acidity, and no one clearly knows how to identify the count of the good bacteria that is left after that, and then it goes to work with the slow release. However, if you have a probiotic like this one that is working right throughout, from the mouth, we have so much, the microbiome actually in the mouth mimic exactly what is happening in the gut. So the language that is spoken between the mouth and the gut along that mouth-gut axis, it's the latest trend. People are now opening up to understanding whatever's happening in the mouth is happening in the gut happening in the mouth. And it is hugely important that we stabilize and optimize the natural good bacteria in the mouth cavity as well. If you're going to do anything, choose to use this probiotic as your daily rinse. Rinse, slosh around, gargle deep in the throat, and then swallow. You do your body a huge favor, as opposed to taking all these various super antibacterial rinses. Disturbs the whole microbiome in the mouth. It is insane what people are actually doing, and have been trained to think that is really what we need to do. If you disrupt your natural microbiome, you're going to have very little to no good health. Getting back to the GUT-cha product, it was specifically rebranded for people in the weight loss, detox, and in those fields. So the fact that it bypasses the stomach pH is related to the fact that the natural pH of the product is anything around 3.5. This product was uniquely designed. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. It is mimicking, this liquid bottle is mimicking whatever is happening in the gut, and that's why it is so immediately bioavailable. So that is the Imsyser rebranded GUT-cha Probiotic, 12 strains. There's nothing different to the one we sell in the marketplace. It was merely rebranded to identify, you know, a rebranded product range in the industry. Anyway, have a wonderful weekend. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you. Bye.